Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Simplified. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable verification via Face ID on OnlyFans. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in onlyfans.com. Once you do that, go ahead, give your login credentials and log in into your OnlyFans account. Once you're logged in, on your screen at the bottom, you're gonna find options like home, notifications, new post, chat, and your user icon. Tap on your user icon, then a menu will appear from the right side of the screen. There you're gonna have to go ahead and select settings. Now under settings, you can see options like profile, account, privacy and safety, notifications, and display. Go to account. Once you go to account, you're gonna see categories like account info, linked accounts, connected accounts, etc. You have to scroll down, then you're gonna find security option. Under security, you can see the second last option there is two-step authentication. Tap on it, then you can find two categories there: primary option, which has authenticator app and verification via SMS, and additional option that is verification via Face ID. Just turn the verification via Face ID on from there and you're set. And guys, that's it. That I enable verification via Face ID on OnlyFans. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.